The main points in chromosome classes: what is the chromosomes, history of the chromosomes, features of eukaryotic chromosomes, chromosome size and shape and number, chemical composition of chromosomes, chromosome structure, relative position of chromosome in cell, the way chromosome present in the cell, the chromosome present in the nucleus. In nucleus, we know that DNA present. So the DNA is a double helix structure. The double helix structure coiled around the proteins and form chromatin. These chromatin condensed into chromosomes. So chromosomes are the color bodies we can see at the time of cell division in metaphase. Introduction and history. What is the definition of chromosomes? Chromosomes are the rod-shaped dark stained bodies seen during metaphase stage of mitosis. So we can see chromosomes during the metaphase of mitosis. Strasberg discovered firstly chromosomes in 1875. The term chromosome was coined by Waldier in 1888. So chromosome means chroma, color, and soma, body. That chromosome means colored body. Features of eukaryotic chromosomes. Chromosomes are best visible during the metaphase. So chromosomes bear genes a linear fashion. So chromosomes bear genes. What are the genes? The nitrogen base sequence in DNA called genes. At the same time, chromosome bear genes because DNA compresses with protein form chromosomes. Chromosomes vary in shape, size, and number in different species of plants and animals. Chromosomes have property of self-duplication and mutation. So chromosomes have a property self-duplication and mutation. So nothing but a replication. Duplication means DNA replication. That's finally achieved to duplication. At the same time, sometimes chromosomes going to mutations. These mutations results new characters occurred in organisms. Chromosomes are composed of DNA, RNA, and protein. Chromosome size and shape and number. Chromosome size is measured at mitotic metaphase, generally measured in length and diameter. Actually, we can see only at the time of metaphase chromosomes. So we can observe only metaphase. So that time chromatin condensed and form chromosomes. All other phases, all other generally cell cycle only we can see chromosomes in mitosis. Rest of the time, the chromatin in the form of a long thread-like structure appear. A thread-like structures. It's called chromatin. Plants usually have longer chromosomes than animals. Plant chromosomes are generally 0.8 to 7 micrometer in length, whereas animal chromosomes are 0.5 to 4 micrometers in length. So, according to this statement, the plant's chromosomes are in very lengthy chromosomes. Animal chromosomes are very short. Chromosome size varies from species to species. So one species to other species chromosome sizes vary, very different. Animals, for example, human chromosomes size different to other mammals, other animals like reptiles, birds, fishes. so different to others in size. Chromosome shape. The shape of chromosome is generally determined by the position of centromere. Chromosomes generally exist in three different shapes that are rod shape, J shape, and V shape. So other shapes are like L shape, I shape also present. Chromosome number. So each species has defined and constant somatic and genetic chromosome number. Somatic chromosome number is number of chromosome found in somatic cell, while genetic chromosome number is the number of chromosome found in gametic cells. Somatic chromosomes are always diploid and denoted as 2n, whereas genetic chromosomes always haploid and are denoted as n. In human being, somatic chromosomes are XX and XY, whereas genetic chromosome number is X and Y. So, some example of chromosome number in different plants and animals. First, Homo sapien, common name human, chromosome number 46, genetic, gametic cells 23. Oryza sativa, common name of the plant is rice. In this, somatic chromosome number 2n is equal to 24. Gametic cells n is equal to 12. Rattus nervicus, rat, chromosomes in somatic cell 2n is 42. In gametic cells n is 21. Next, Pisum sativum, pea plant. In somatic cells 2n is equal to 14. In gametic cell n is equal to 7. Dacus carota, common name is carrot. In carrot, somatic cells have 2n is equal to 20. Gametic cell n is equal to 10. Allium cepa, common name is onion. In somatic cells 2n is equal to 16. N is equal to 80. Gia maize, common name maize plant. In maize plant, somatic cells have 2n is equal to 20, n is equal to 10. Apis mellifera, honeybee. In honeybee, somatic cells possess 32, gametic cells possess 16 chromosomes. Musa domestica, Musca domestica, housefly, somatic cells have 12, gametic cells have 6. Felis domesticum, cat, somatic cell have 38, gametic cells have 19. Drosophila melanogaster, fruit fly, somatic cell have 8, gametic cell have 4. Neurospora chrysa, this is a bread mold, a fungi. The somatic cell have 14, gametic cells have 7. Chromosome structure. Structurally, chromosome consists of 7 parts. One is the centromere, second one is the chromatid, third one the secondary construction and satellite, fourth one telomere, fifth one chromomere, sixth one chromonema, seventh one matrix. Generally, these parts are occurred in chromosome structure. This is the chromosome picture. In the middle, we can see centromere. Centromere having 2 kinetochore. Centromeres having chromosome arms. Total, we can see 4 chromosome arms. At the end of chromosome R, the ending part is chromosome R. Chromosome arm called chromatid also, and the end of the part of chromatid, telomere present. So centromere is localized region of the chromosome with which spindle fiber attached known as centromere or primary construction or kinetic core. So centromere is a localized region of the chromosome. It is present in the middle or above middle. That place centromere present. Centromere attached the chromatids. Chromatid having two arms either sides of centromere. Centromere is a spindle fibers attached part is now centromere. Is a centromere are also called primary construction of chromosome or kinetochore of chromosome. Chromatid, one of the two distinct longitudinal subunits of chromosome is called chromatid. Generally, two chromatids are present. Chromatids are two types, sister chromatids and non-sister chromatids. Same chromosomes chromatids called sister chromatids. So different type two different chromosomes chromatids called non-sister chromatids. Third one, secondary construction or satellite or trapent. Some chromosome exhibits secondary construction in addition to primary construction. Primary construction is the centromere part. At the same time, some chromosomes possess secondary construction. It is called satellite. It is nearby telomere. It is present nearby telomere. The chromosome having after the chromatid part after the secondary construction is called satellite or satellite chromosome. So next fourth one, telomere. The two ends of chromosomes are called telomeres. Telomeres are highly stable and they do not fuse or unite with telomere of the other chromosomes. Telomere inhibits attaching one chromatid end to other chromatid end. At the same time, telomere is the main part cause of aged, because every cell division will lose some genetic material at telomere that causes in humans or animals age factor. So chromomere. The chromosomes of some of the special source smell chromomere. Chromomere means the beads-like structure in chromosomes called chromomere. Chromonema, thread-like coil structure found in the chromosome and chromatids are now as chromonema. Plural chromonemata. Actually, chromatin along with coiled and form chromatids. Matrix. It is fluid part which chromata are embedded in called as matrix. Chemical composition of chromosomes. Chemically, chromosomes are nucleoprotein in nature. Means are composed of RNA, DNA and protein. Generally, chromosomes contain 30 to 40% DNA, 50 to 65% protein and 0.5 to 10% RNA. At the same time, DNA combined with protein is called chromatin. DNA, the amount of DNA present in somatic cell is constant. DNA content of gametic cell is half of the somatic cell. So DNA of chromosome is two types: unique DNA, repetitive DNA. Unique DNA consists of those DNA sequences which are present in a single copy per genome and are unique in nature. So unique DNA means a single copy in the genome is called unique DNA. So single copy for genome are unique in nature also. Unique DNA also known as non-repetitive DNA. Codes for protein which requires in large quantity for cell. So repetitive DNA, non-repetitive main definition, single copy of DNA is called unique DNA or non-repetitive DNA. So multi copies of DNA is called repetitive DNA. So these unique DNA or non-repetitive DNA are mainly used for protein synthesis. The codes are used for help for the protein synthesis in organism. Repetitive DNA consists of DNA nucleotides or base sequences which are few to several hundred base pairs long and are present to several to a million copies per genome. Human genome contains 30% of repetitive DNA. Repetitive DNA is further divided into highly repetitive DNA, second one moderately repetitive DNA. Next, RNA. Purified chromatin contain 10 to 15% RNA. RNA associated with chromosome is messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. Third one, protein. Protein associated with chromosome is classified to two broad groups. One is the histone protein, second is the non-histone protein. Histone proteins are basic nature. So non-histone proteins are acidic in nature and histone proteins are basic in nature because of basic amino acid. Histones constitute about 80% of the total chromosomal protein. They are present in almost 1:1 ratio with DNA. 5 fraction of histones are present like 1H1, 2HA, 2H2A, 2H2B, 2H3, 2H4. These five types are histone proteins are present in chromatin. Non-histone proteins are only 20% in total protein mass of chromosome. Non-histone proteins are different from species to species. Non-histone protein includes many important enzymes like DNA and RNA polymerase. Mainly non-histone proteins are enzymes. Types of chromosomes. According to relative position of centromere, chromosomes are divided into 4 types: metacentric, submetacentric, ecocentric, telocentric. The position of the centromere, based on the position of centromere, chromosomes are 4 types, that are metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. The centromere position at the middle, that is called metacentric. In metacentric chromosomes at the time of anaphase, they appear V-shaped. Submetacentric chromosomes, the centromere localized at the above middle part of the chromosomes. These submetacentric chromosomes appeared in anaphase L-shaped. At the same time, acrocentric. In acrocentric chromosome, the centromere present near the end of the chromosomes. So these acrocentric chromosomes appeared in anaphase just J type at the telocentric. The centromere present at the end of the chromatids. It is called telocentric. Telocentric chromosome appeared in anaphase I structure. Karyotype. Complete set of chromosomes in a species or in an individual organism known as a karyotype. The basic number of chromosomes in the somatic cells of an individual or a species is called the somatic number and is designated 2n. This in humans 2n is 46. Ideogram. A diagrammatic representation of chromosome morphology characteristic of a species or a population is known as ideogram. So we can analyze through ideogram the chromosome structures, at the same time aberrations of chromosomes. So you can see the original picture of the ideogram. So this is also ideogram. Okay, thank you. Chromosomes are the genetic information carriers of one generation to another generation. Thank you very much.